Hi guys, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. Today I am telling you chapter 4 chemical bonding and molecular structure. In this chapter I am telling you topic formal charge. Now question is what is formal charge? Formal charge is the difference between the number of valence electron on that atom in free state and number of electrons assigned to that atom in Lewis structure. So look here, topic is formal charge. Formal charge. Formal charge is the difference between the number of valence electron on that atom in free state and number of electrons assigned to that atom in Lewis structure. So formula of formal charge, F for formal, C for charge, is equal to V minus L minus S by 2. Here V is the total number of valence electron, L is the total number of lone pair electron, S is the total number of shared pair electron. Now student, I am telling you some molecule or ion in which you can calculate formal charge easily. First example is ozone molecule. For example, ozone molecule. Formula of ozone molecule is O3 and structure of ozone molecule. Here number of oxygen 3, so we can arrange these 3 oxygen in this way. Dear student, you know very well atomic number of oxygen 8, its electronic configuration 2, 6, 6 electron present in last cell, so 6 electron take part in bond formation and it require 2 electron to complete their octet. So we have to take 2 electron here in this way. 1 electron, 2 electron, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number valence electron take part in bonding. So 6 electron take part in bonding. And we have to arrange these electron in this way. 2 electron we have to take in this way because it requires 2 electron to complete its octet. After this, for this oxygen atom, same way we have to take 2 electron here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again same way we have to take arrange 6 electron in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this 2 electron, 2 electron form double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this 1, 2. Again this forms single bond and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the structure of ozone molecule. Now I am telling you formal charge on each oxygen atom. This is the first oxygen atom. Actually main structure of ozone molecule is this, plus and minus. But how this is structure we can clear it on the basis of their formal charge. Okay, so we have to find out it. This is first oxygen atom, this is second oxygen atom, and this is third oxygen atom. So dear student, first we have to calculate formal charge on first oxygen atom. Formal charge on first oxygen atom is equal to, formula of formal charge is V minus L minus S by 2. So total number of valence electron in oxygen atom 6. You can see this is oxygen, electronic configuration 2, 6. These are called valence electron. After this lone pair of electron. So lone pair of electron on oxygen atoms are 4. Look here how 1, 2, 3, 4. So lone pair electrons are 4. What is lone pair of electron? Those electrons which cannot be shared or do not take part in bonding are called lone pair of electron. After this share electron, here share electrons are, here double bond present. One bond means 2 electron. You can see here one bond means 2 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So one single bond means 2 electrons. So double bond means 4 electron. So shared electron are 4. After this 4 divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. We get 0. So formal charge on first oxygen atom is 0. Formal charge on first oxygen atom is 0. Now student, I am telling you formal charge on another oxygen, second oxygen atom. Formal charge on second oxygen atom. Dear student, you know very well formula of formal charge is total number of valence electron. Total number of valence electron on second oxygen atom also 6. After this, lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electrons are 1 1 2. After this, shared pair electron. Here shared pair electrons are count number of bond. One bond 1 2 3. One bond is equal to 2 electrons, so 3 bond is equal to 1 2 3. 3 bond is equal to 6 electron, so divide 6 by 2. 2 3 are 6. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. We can write plus 1. Okay student, I hope that you can understand it very well. After this, formal charge on third oxygen atom. So formal charge on third oxygen atom is equal to total number of valence electron. Formula of formal charge is V minus L minus S by 2. So V for valence electron. Valence electron on third oxygen atom also 6. And a lone pair, total number of lone pair you can count easily 1 2 3 4 5 6. So lone pair electron 6. After this shared electron, in third oxygen atom only one single bond present, and you know very well one single bond is equal to single bond present, so number of electron 2, and divide it by 2. 2 to cancel, 6 to 6 cancel, we get minus 1. Okay students, so when we solve it we get minus 1. Now students, I am telling you formal charge on carbonate ion. So look here, formal charge on carbonate ion. Formal charge on carbonate ion. Formula of carbonate ion is CO3 2 minus charge, and here carbon is central atom. Number of oxygen are 3, so we can arrange 3 oxygen in this way, 1 2 3. After this, you know very well atomic number of oxygen 8, electronic configuration 2 comma 6. 6 electron present in last cell, so 6 electron take part in bonding. So look here, we have to arrange these 6 electron in this way, 1 2 3 4 5 6. After this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now atomic number of carbon 6, electronic configuration 2 comma 4. 4 electron present in carbon atom, so these 4 electron take part in bonding. Last cell or valence electron take part in bonding, so 4 electron take part in bonding. Oxygen donate oxygen here 2 electrons, so we have to take also here 2 electrons, 1 2 3 4. Okay students, clear student. After this, next topic is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So student, structure of this is the electron arrangement in carbonate ion. After this, here is present minus bond, minus 2 charge, so we can write in this way, we can show this structure in this way, single bond and sharing of 2 electron takes place, so we can use here double bond. And after this, this is the proper structure of carbon atom. Atomic number of carbon 6, electronic configuration 2 comma 4, so 4 electron present in carbon, 1 2 3 4. Okay students, now I am telling you formal charge on oxygen atom. First I am telling you formal charge on this carbon atom. Formal charge on carbon atom. Dear student, you know very well formal charge is equal to V minus L minus S by 2. Total number of valence electron in carbon atom. We are calculating formal charge on carbon atom. Here total number of valence electron in carbon atom is 4. So we can say So we can say that formal charge here formal charge is, look here, number of valence electron 4, so total valence electron 4 minus lone pair, total number of lone pair on carbon atom 0, no lone pair present. After this, shared electron, look here, count number of bond, 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond, 4 bond, 1 bond is equal to 2 electron, so 4 bond is equal to 8 electron, 8 divided by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 4 to 4 cancel, we get formal charge on carbon atom 0. So formal charge on carbon atom is 0. Okay students, after this next point is formal charge on double bonded oxygen, double bond oxygen atom. Formal charge on double bond oxygen atom. Dear student, you know very well formula V minus L minus S by 2. Here total valence electron in oxygen atom you know very well 6. After this lone pair electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, and shared electrons are double bond means here double bond present, so total number of electron 4. Single bond means 2 electron, shared electron, here only double bond presents, means total electrons are 4. So 4 divided by 2, 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, 6 to 6 cancel, we get formal charge on double bond oxygen atom 0. After this student, I am telling you formal charge on single bond oxygen atom, this oxygen atom, single bond oxygen atom, formal charge on single bond oxygen atom. So formal charge on single bond oxygen atom is equal to V minus L minus S by 2. Here valence electron, total number of valence electron in this oxygen atom is 6. Lone pair electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, and shared electrons are here, total number of shared electrons, look here, in this single, I am telling you formal charge on single bond oxygen atom. In single bond oxygen atom, valence electron 6 and lone pair electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lone pair electron also 6. And shared electron only one single bond present, so we can say 2 electron. Single bond is equal to 2 electron. So 2 electron. In one single bond, what is single bond? A single bond is formed by the sharing of one pair of electron. So one single bond is equal to one pair of electron is equal to 2 electron. 2 by 2, 6 to 6 cancel, we get minus 1. Okay students, so formal charge you can calculate with the help of this video easily. Student, I hope that you can understand all the points in this video. So like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Thanks for watching.